shape of popcorn. Now it has to look like popcorn. Foam spray blaster! Now to paint it so it looks real. One popcorn roof going up.
Easy. Lower down. Not too fast. And stop. Okay, let's nail it down.
Wow! Wow! I love it! A 5-star idea turned into a 5-star popcorn cafe! Thank you, pups.
You're welcome, Cafe Carl.
Now I can open up for business and pop these kernels. With heat from the stove, of course, not the sun.
Hey, family, good job. Let's wiggle and wag. We built a popcorn cafe.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pop-tastic.
That's what we do!
I popped your favorite flavors of popcorn to say a big thank you for building my popcorn cafe. Here you go. Cheesy popcorn, chicken popcorn, kibble popcorn, and banana popcorn. Enjoy!
Thanks, Cafe Carl. Two pop-tastic snacks together. Bananas and popcorn.
Rubble? Don't you mean popcorn? Coming through with sand to stop you from slipping.
Hey, no slipping!
Aha! No slipping!
Whoa! It's so slippery!
Not anymore.
Thank you, Wheeler!
All the bubbles and sand are gone.
Oh, pups, you are the best!
Now we're gonna fix your ramp so you can still do your jump. Come on, let's bow wow build! Okay, Mix, what does this need?
A mix makeover. Spray blaster!
Mr. Ducky Doo, when we zoom into the air, remember to smile for our photo.
You got this, Mayor Greyway! Say bubbles!
Bubbles! Now that's a photo. Thank you, pups.
We're always happy to help. Hey, family! It's time to wiggle and wag. We built 2 ramps!
Rubble and Crew!
And they're pop-tastic!
That's what we Huh? Where's Squirrel? Hello? Squirrel! Uh-oh, you got me. Aw, poor little squirrel. Squirrel just wants to eat. Motor has idea.
Look at that giant watermelon.
Farmer
Wow, Farmer Sam.
Hooray! That spiffy case is gonna keep my watermelon nice and safe. Thanks for all your help, pups. Aw.
Rubble and Crew is always happy to help.
I want to thank Motor, too. Where'd the little pup go?
Motor has idea to stop Squirrel, so never eat big fruit again. Motor, show you. Small garden, garden for small squirrel.
What a great idea! The squirrel has its own little garden.
Yep, now the squirrel won't try to eat your big fruit and veggies.
Snack time for you, little squirrel. Farmer's always said snack time. Now all I can think about are snacks. Oh, I didn't forget about you, pups. So good, so yummy. Makes me so ready to wiggle and wag. We built a squirrel garden.
Rubble and crew!
And it's pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Okay, I have one last delivery, but you don't need to build a ramp because I can roll right inside for a special delivery.
My purple Razzle Blast paint! Thank you, Omar!
You're welcome. I can't wait to see what you paint with it. Oh, gotta go. I have just enough time to meet my kids for basketball.
And I have just enough time to mix up some paint in the Mega Mixer for our new art project. This cup can mix it up! And check it out!
Whoa!
Pretty!
That's fantastic.
Pups, all the mail is delivered, and we got a great mural. Wow, you pups are amazing!
Aw, we're happy to help. Hey, family, let's wiggle and wag with Omar, Lucas, and Lily. We built ramps,
Rubble and crew!
and they're pop-tastic.
That's what we do!
All right, watch this. I've been working on this. From downtown!
Whoa! I got it! Wiggle and wag and score!
So excited! Can't wait!
1, 2, 3, boom! Keep going. Almost there.
Big ducky!
Wow!
Happy birthday,
Whoa! You think that's pup-tastic? Check this out. Push this button, Motor.
So much fun! I love Big Ducky!
Oh, and there's one more birthday surprise, Motor.
Grandpa brought all my friends! Best birthday ever!
Well, what do you say we get this party started with a ducky-shaped birthday cake?
Did you say party? Way ahead of you, Grandpa! Yeah! DJ Rubble in the house! Oh, I mean, at the lake! Oh, yeah! Listen up, pups! We're a rubbling crew and we like to go rough. With awesome tools, we build cool stuff!
Oh, so fun!
Hey, family! It's time for a birthday wiggle and wag! We built a runway!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do! Happy birthday, Mother! Way to go, Motor!
Come on, crew! Let's secure the telescope to the platform. It's getting even darker. River, we present Builder Cove's observatory.
Wow, that's awesome! Woohoo! And just in time. Look.
There it is! The shooting star! I gotta get that pic!
Rubble and crew, thank you so much. You pups are awesome builders and awesome friends.
Aww, River, we think you're an awesome friend too. And you know what we like to do with our friends? Wiggle and wag. Join us! We built an observatory!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do!
Woohoo! Thanks, pups. I'll remember this picture forever.
That's the most amazing picture I've ever seen!
Yeah, it is amazing. But the most amazing picture ever is this selfie with my new friends. Say, Rubble and Crew friends.
Rubble and crew friends!
Nice! It's a great photo! Looks so good.
Camilla!
Books! I've got lots of them.
And one of them is the new King Pother book.
Yes, the new book! The book! Grandpa's got the new book!
Let's load in the books! And I'll give the place a mix makeover! Spray blaster! Presenting the Library Tea Shop!
Tea with fresh honey. So good.
And then the brave King Pother walked up to the giant dragon and said, "Dragon, I want to talk to you."
Ooh, what did he say?
He said, "Mr. Dragon, let's be friends." And the dragon said, The end.
Great story!
I like the part where King Pother talked to the dragon. Fun fact. When bees talk to each other, they do a waggle dance.
Hey, bees do a waggle dance, and we do a wiggle and wag dance. We built a library tea shop!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do!
Awesome!
Amazing!
This tuba rocks. So do the colors.
It sounds as good as it looks.
These drums sound even better than my old ones.
She's here! She's here! See her! Sparkle is... here! Yay!
Happy Builder Cove Day, everybody!
Hi, Sierra Sparkle!
I am so ready to sing my new song. If you guys are ready, let me hear you howl. Hey, Builder Cove! DJ Rubble is here to say, let's give it up for Sierra Sparkle!
Hello, my friends!
Here's a song to say happy birthday to your wonderful town. I love you all! Hey, Builder Cove band, let's do this. Hey, pups, you can help me sing. Welcome to Builder Cove. All of you who help it grow, like Rubble and his pups, hands and paws up, let's celebrate. 'Cause today is a magical day. Today we celebrate. All the families are here to say, Builder Cove's our special place. Yeah, today's because of you. All you build and all you do. And an extra special thank you to Rubble and crew. Yeah, Rubble and crew. Yeah, hip, hip, hooray! Builder Cove's our special place. Nice job, guys. That was awesome.
Motor, you little art genius. You've given me the most mix-tastic, no, scratch that, motor-tastic art idea ever. Kids, follow me. Hooray!
class. To celebrate your first day of school, we're gonna do some paw painting.
Huh?
Oh, that would be finger painting for you.
Motor goes splat, splat, splat.
Let me try. You can paint there. And a little yellow here. Nice job! Almost done.
Oh, I love it. A big duck painting for our duck pond school. Max, you're the best art teacher ever.
Thank you, Mayor Greatway.
And thanks to Rubble and crew for building this wonderful school.
No problem, Mayor Greatway. Rubble and crew is always happy to help. Hey, family, let's duck, wiggle, and wag. We built a school!
Rubble and crew!
And it's pucktastic!
That's what we do!
I think Mr. Ducky Doo is ready for school, too.
I've got an idea for school snack. Cheese and quackers!
Ooh! Yup, my paint's gonna work.
So, what you think, Rubble?
Ooh, so much light. Wait, it gets even better.
Charger! We're ready for the moon! I repeat, we're ready for the moon! Grab it, lift it, move the moon!
Wow, so bright! It's like the moon and stars are right here in the barnyard. Thanks, family. And now, I'm finally ready to...
Roast marshmallows!
Roasted, toasted marshmallows. Mmm.
Mmm, delicious.
Mmm.
They were yummy, but all this construction made me tired.
Bedtime.
Wait, we can't go to bed yet. We still gotta do something really important. Wiggle and wag. We built a campsite.
Rubble and crew!
And it's pucktastic. Huh? Oh. I'll say it for you. That's what we do. Sleep tight, camping crew. Good night, Park Ranger Rose.
Good night, Rubble.
Come on, you can do it, Crunchy!
Hey, the ducks like our bridge.
Huh?
And Wingsy!
And a squirrel. Really want to chase the squirrel, but I won't. So glad the squirrel likes the bridge.
All the animals like the new forest bridge.
Except maybe beavers? I think he's gonna use the bridge. You can do it, Crunchy!
Crunchy! Crunchy! Crunchy!
Crunchy likes the beaver bridge! I repeat, Crunchy likes the beaver bridge!
It's not just a beaver bridge. It's a wildlife bridge.
And a pop bridge, too! I'm getting the zoom, zoom, zoomies!
Me too! Wait for me, Charger!
Hey, family! Why did Rubble and crew cross the bridge?
Why?
To do the wiggle and wag! We built a wildlife
Crew! And it's pup-tastic! That's what we do!
I didn't ask him to do that. Who did that? Okay, I did that. My bad. Sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! The balloons have been in the hot sun for so long, they're popping!
I gotcha! Whoa! Oh, my masterpiece!
Grab the statue. Lift the statue. Move the statue.
Hey, actually, that looks even better than before. Huh. Who needs your silly statue of the whole town when I have this? I am putting this in my living room so I can look at it every day. Oh, Mr. McTurtle, would you please help me push this?
Nope, a roosie.
Oh, right. The whole floating over Builder Cove thing, that was my fault. All right, never mind. I got this.
Okay, now let's put this statue back where it belongs.
Chase, on behalf of all of Builder Cove, I thank you for your incredible detective work.
You're welcome, Mayor Greatway. But I really couldn't have done it without my detective helper pups.
Well, we really can't celebrate without you joining us to wiggle and wag.
Woohoo! We built a science center.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we
Wouldn't it be fun if we built a cozy little box, like a carrier, so he can zipline over the canyon safely?
We can make it out of wood, just like the beaver home we built for Crunchy.
Pup-tastic idea.
Yes, it is. And I happen to know where we can find a bunch of boards hanging around. You get it?
Thanks, Auntie Crane. Okay, family, time to make a cozy beaver carrier. Let's bow wow build!
Heads up! Beaver carrier, zip, zip, zipping your way!
Look, Crunchy, a cozy carrier just for you. Away you go! That was fun! I gotta say, I'm impressed with Rubble and Crew. You pup builders are amazing!
Aw, thanks. You know what else would be amazing? If you did the wiggle and wag with us. We built a zipline!
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do!
Okay, more water coming. Let's see if our giant dog bowl works.
It works!
The light is shining back out to sea! I repeat, it's shining back out to sea!
I can't see. Wait! There it is! I see the light!
Watch out for the rocks!
Whoa!
Oh, I hope they're okay.
We arrived, safe and sound, thanks to you pups and that totally terrific lighthouse.
Sister!
Family reunion.
Yes, it is. Pups, thanks for building an entire
entire lighthouse just so I could see my sister.
We're happy to help.
This sister soup is delish.
It's so good to see you again.
Nothing could be better than spending time with family.
Well, there is one thing. Spending time with family with the Wiggle and Wag dance. We built a lighthouse.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Welder tool!
The dirt is in. I repeat, the dirt is in. Mix, do your thing.
And my thing is giving this barn a mixed mud makeover. Ready, aim, water!
Good job! Builder Cove, meet my buddy Truffles.
Wait.
Your new muddy barn is ready!
Well, Truffles, do you like it?
Oh no! She doesn't like the mud?
Nope, I don't think she likes it. I think she loves it. I'm getting to know pigs pretty well. And that, my friends, is one happy pig. This pig party is on! Woo!
And so is our Wiggle and Wag. In the mud. We built a pig barn.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Wow! This pig party is totally fantastic.
Don't you mean pig-tastic?
Okay, motor, make it smooth. Motor goes smooth. And done. The road is fixed. Good job.
Nicely done. We can continue the Helpers Parade. But there's one more thing I need you pups to do. You wonderful helpers saved the day, so...
We want you pups to join the parade with me.
Hold on. I should still get to be in the parade. I mean, I tried to help. Ugh, I knew I should have made a bigger crack in the road with my jackhammer.
So you destroyed the road?
Who? Me? No, I mean, why did I say that? Who said that? I said that? I did. Okay, fine. I destroyed the road. Sorry, okay? Yes, I shouldn't have done that. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Come on, Mr. McTurtle. If we hurry, maybe we could still get a good seat for the parade.
Yep-a-roozy.
Yeah! Let's wiggle and wag to the parade. We finished our road.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Okay, now let's continue the Helpers Parade. Thank you. Hello.
How we doing?
Hi, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Be right back. Just going to bring a baby bat home.
Are they bringing that here? They're bringing what back?
Come, baby bat. Follow motor bat. Look, baby bat family. Aw, so cute.
proud of you. Oh, we better get back to the barkyard. Everyone's waiting for us.
Bye, baby bat. Motor, come visit you soon. Yay!
Hey, everyone. Welcome to the Barkyard Fall Fun Day. While you enjoy your tasty pumpkin spice cider, here's a little rap about my favorite place in Builder Cove, the Barkyard. You know I love the Smash Masher, and I'll tell you why. It helps Grandpa Gravel make his pumpkin pie. If you need to cut wood, here's what you can do. Bring it to the saw station, we'll slice it for you. Concrete or paint for a pretty picture. This pumpkin mix it up in the Mega Mixer. Listen, Builder Cove, it's time to have fun, 'cause Grandpa's pumpkin pie is finally done.
Who's ready to fill their belly?
The one and only Sierra Sparkle!
Hello, Builder Cove! It's so good to be back. I heard Rubble and crew made some last-minute changes to make my stage extra special. I can't wait to see what they put together.
Yeah, me too. I hope it works.
This one's for you, Builder Cove. When you want to give up, try to keep your chin up. Don't let a bump in the road toss you aside. Find another way to enjoy the ride. Looks like we have a pup who loves my song as much as I do. Charger, will you join me on stage to dance?
Me? Oh, wow! This is so exciting! I'm getting the zoom, zoom, zooming!
Ooh, I have an idea how to make this show even better. Bump in the road, toss you aside. Find another way to enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Another puppy pylon for the most mix-tastic pup ever. Mix!
Bye-bye, Ruff. Ooh, I mean Roof. Okay, Charger, you can take off the tarp.
Ta-da! Rubble, we found your favorite dinosaur!
A Tyrannosaurus Rex? Mr. T-Rex, you're one of my favorite dinosaurs. Whoa!
Awesome dinos coming in!
I hereby declare the Dinosaur Museum is open!
Waiting for this.
Rubble and crew, you've done it again! The Dinosaur Museum looks fantastic!
Thanks, Mayor Greatway. We're always happy to help. Hey, family, it's time to wiggle and wag. We built a dinosaur museum.
Rubble and crew!
And it's fantastic.
That's what we do!
Follow me. Popcorn station's gonna go right here. top.
I just need to paint lines so everyone knows where to park their cars to watch the movie. Spray blaster!
Gotta build a frame to hold our big outdoor screen.
Framing for the screen coming down. One giant movie screen coming in. Grab it, lift it, move it! Now that is a totally awesome movie screen.
And so is this drive-in movie theater. I love it! Time to watch the movie!
Come and get my newest popcorn flavor, Superhero Super Strawberry.
Citizens of Builder Cove, are you ready to watch Super Squirrely Whirly in our new drive-in movie theater?
All right.
Wait, Motor not ready. Okay, now Motor ready. Aw, my movie buddy.
Well, all right. Thanks to the pups, movie night can begin.
I am Super Squirrely Whirly! When I fall down, I get right back up and go, go, go!
Yeah! Super Squirrely Whirly! Spray blaster! Ready, aim, paint!
Woohoo! Love the colors. So swirly.
Wow! Thanks, Charger.
Uh-oh, everyone waiting is really hot. Phew. Nothing a sea monster splash park can't fix. Let's test it out.
It's ready! Cool off!
Everybody come splash on in.
Yeah! Wow!
Come on in. If you're feeling hot, the new splash park is the spot.
Pups, this splash park is amazing! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Who's ready to cool off?
Walk, don't run, and have some fun. You too, Mr. Ducky Doo.
Hey, family, time to wiggle and wag.
Don't you mean wiggle and splash?
Come on. We built a splash park.
Rubble and Crew!
And it's fantastic.
That's what we do!
Ooh, this is gonna be great.
Ready, Lily? 1, 2. Hey, you're supposed to go on 3.
Wow!
Yes! Okay, Pops, your turn. It was so much fun.
You know how to make sledding even more fun? With music!
Yeah! DJ Rubble!
Sledding with my crew on some fresh white snow. Howling and barking everywhere we go. If you want to sled fast and get into the groove, on our super snowy sled slide you can really move.
Motor and Ducky go wee! I call this the Mix Spin Makeover! Woohoo! Coming down!
Woo! Toes roll! Wall sledding! Woohoo! I'm getting the zoom, zoom, sledding zoomies! This is so fun! right?
Right! And you know how to make it even more awesome? We can sled while doing the wiggle and wag dance! We built a sled ramp!
Rubble and Crew!
And it's pucktastic!
That's what we do!
Crunchy's giving us back the poles! We did it! All right, crew. Time to put these poles back in the ground.
And I'll call Auntie Crane to help attach the wires so everyone in Builder Cove has power again.
Thanks, Crunchy.
Spray Blaster! The pole is safe and secure.
Speaking of safe, everybody stand back. I'm reattaching the wire. Power on!
Hooray! Movie night! Movie night!
Woo!
Thank you, Pups!
Thank you, Pups. I have power. I can make a mega marvelous milkshake. Now that's a 5-star idea.
Thank you, Pups. You rock!
Hey! Lights are back on!
You know what else is back on? Our family dance party! Everybody freestyle! Yeah! Now everybody wiggle and wag! We built a beaver home!
Yes, we did!
And it's pucktastic!
Yes, it is!